Before you begin, remove the rear cover, kickstand, and display panel assembly. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the microphone board ZIF connector and disconnect the microphone board ribbon cable from the system board. Turn the middle frame over. Remove the microphone board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the middle frame. Carefully slide the microphone board out of the clips on the middle frame and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the microphone board. Important, make note of the placement of the rubber covers on the microphone board. If placed incorrectly, the rubber covers will cover the microphone openings.